Meet the Mayku FormBox. It's a desktop vacuum former powered by your vacuum cleaner. Amaze clients by creating your concept in real time. Simply print your model, and when it's ready, insert your material and replicate your designs in seconds. Save hours of printing time and speed up your design process. Perfect copies with impeccable finishes, so you always hit that deadline. Push the boundaries of what you can create. FormBox is the ultimate sidekick for your 3D printing setup. Maintain total control, create multiple versions as you need them, and replicate 3D shapes at speed. With razor blade accuracy, customize rapidly and give clients a front row seat to your design. With the Mayku FormBox, put the power of making in your hands.